and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Slow. We are going into the menzaida, and we're going to open our hand to the side so I can push the girl on the 2. So we do 1. Then I push the girl away, and this distance is very important now. 2, make contact on the leg there, but we don't need to lead here. The leading on the free is going to happen in the frame. I'm going to pass the girl from my left hand to my right hand, sliding on her belly with the right hand. And because we have the distance, it's easy. Don't try to be close to the girl, because if not, the turning is going to be uncomfortable. So this distance on 2 is important. 2. Then free. One thing you need to be careful when you do the free, right hand, the right hand should not be at the elbow height. Should be low. Why? Because if it is, ow. So I have to put the hand a little bit lower, waist height, so she can go over. Okay, again. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Now watch how I collect the girl to me. I have distance on the free, I'm getting close. On my right chest, the right hand is going to be placed here. Okay? And the left hand is going to be placed on the elbow. Good. So if we do it from this side, we do it like this. 1, 2, 3. And on the free, what I do, I collect my leg and turn forward. What I normally like to do is a small thing to improve the flow is 1, 2, and now after the hand pass, go with the body close and down. 3. The girl doesn't go down, she doesn't know that. But me, to lift her up for the and 4. Then from here, I will have to go, I'm slightly behind her here. I will have to go with the next step a little bit to her side and turn her forward. 5. Why? Because if not, it's going to be hard for her to understand this crossing here. 6, 7. Okay? Why is hard for the girl to understand the crossing there? Because when I'm making 4, and if I stay behind her, 5, she will want to go forward. But if I go 4, 5, a little bit in front of her with the hip connection, then I can go 6, 7. Break. Good. After this break comes the 8. So we're here on the 7. We are on the 7. On the 8, I need to go here with the hand, just slide, keep it here, just slide and lift my middle finger. Why? Because then comes the turn, and here I can turn the girl with the middle finger like in salsa easy. So I go 8 finger, then I go 1 back, and the finger is there. 2 to the side. Then I release the hand and push her forward. 3. I wait with the left hand, and now I close her to me, to my left. 4. Body connection. Connection now with the 5. Side and syncopation. Good. I think that's enough. Music. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we go.